How to download CIBC app and sign into it. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your app store on your device. Once you're in here in the source bar, search for CIBC Mobile Banking. Head over to this app. Right here, if your application has not been installed yet, then tap on Get and click on Install. Wait for the process to be completed. Once the application has been installed on your device, now what you want to do is tap on Open. Click on Accept all cookies, and then tap on Already a CIBC client. Tap on Sign On. Now you have to enter your login credentials, enter your card number, and then enter your password. Once done, tap on Sign On. If your login credentials are correct, then you will be logged into your specific account, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.